You're out of your mind. Brian, we both know I touched it. Now, if you'd like to keep that just between us, I suggest you sit back down and order me some chicken fingers. Ask
all the girls, and they know that's what's up. Word around town that your girl likes the cut. Swagged up, rich, and I look smack good. Megan good, looks like my last girlfriend. Yeah, she cook good. Master Chef chops. 30 on my dick, cause I look like a baller. When I walk in, all the girls get quiet. Take no pictures. Swag. Damn, I'm magic. I'm like a genie. Pay a couple dollars, yeah, she moves it in 3D. Girl off the juice, she's cussing like a sailor. I swag. I cook chef. I cook knife. I cook pot. I cook smack. I swag. Chef. I cook pot. I chef pot. I chop knife. I cook snipe. I cook shake. I chef. I chop pie. I cook. I chef. I cook pot. I chef pot. I chop knife. I cook snipe. I cook shake. I chef. I chop pie. I cook. You wanna have a show? That's 30 stacks. Watching Master Chef, I put the cooking on the map. Damn, she looking fine, she knowing where it's at. Make her drop her ass, I bet she bring it right back. Damn, senorita, mucho dinero. $100,000 car sitting by the stairs. Damn, I look like I made $1 million off cocaine. Damn, I'm booming. I'm on 6. Bitch, I wipe like the president. Strike a picture. Young bass guy, ask them all what they think. I cook swag. 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 I cook chef. 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 I cook knife. I cook knife. I cook swag. I 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 cook knife. I chef. I swag. I swag. I cook swag. I chef. I swag. I swag. I chef. I swag. I chef. I swag. I chef. I swag. I chef. I swag. I swag. Knife. I swag. 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 Knife, swag, knife, pot, chef, swag, knife, chef, pot, knife, chef, swag, knife, swag, knife, chef, knife, chef, pot, swag, chef, knife, swag, pot, knife, chef, swag, knife, I cook swag.
The ghetto, taking short steps, 1 foot at a time and get my head low and never let go, cause if I let go, then I'll be spineless, I'm going insane. I think my mind just goes out of control and judge your subjects. I touch your